Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something I get asked all the time as we talked about it is the pricing of extended support for Windows 10. So you already know that there's a company called ZeroPatch that has a plan for extended support, paid support, but Microsoft only gave the details for the enterprise users and has not yet given any information about what will cost extended support for Windows 10 for the home user. And there's a lot of speculations in there, of course. The time that it's taking might be because they're checking out how Windows will be, how many Windows 10 machines will still exist, and this might impact what will be given or paid. Some people are speculating it's taking time because somebody somewhere says, well, maybe we have to give it away. I don't think personally that it'll be given. I'm pretty sure that Microsoft will stick to the plan of paid support. But Microsoft did give one hint. They will only tell what amount is going to be paid, how much it's going to cost, only a couple of months before end of support, which means we won't know how much it will cost to extend Windows 10 for security updates until probably August of next year, a year from now. This is interesting. Whatever tactic that means for Microsoft, if they announce it now, would it mean that people might say, oh, it's just going to cost that, or they have no idea how much they're going to actually charge? And we have to, admit one thing. We have to take into account the fact how many PCs will still be on Windows 10 in August or September of next year. I'm sure it's still going to be a high number, not in the 60% mark. I wouldn't be surprised that it will be below 50%, but one thing for sure is that it's still probably going to be a lot of PCs out there, and Microsoft, I think, will be dosing its price depending on that number. The more PCs that pay, we might think that the lower the price because a lot of more money is going to rack in, and the lower number of PCs still on Windows 10 will hike the price. So how much? It's anybody's guess. I'm pretty sure it will be paid support, but we'll only know really next year. Microsoft is waiting to the last minute for the home user, which they did not on the enterprise side, because enterprise typically often want to know very well in advance what they're going to do and next year or the year after, where the home user is more of a, well, it's even if only 2 months in advance, might be okay. I guess it's Microsoft's way of thinking. So no news of that until at least next summer. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.